So yan guys, pinapagpirma na kami ng waiver for our canyoneering. Nauna na si Sir pumirma. Hindi mo na binasa.
Kaya mo na.
Sabi daw kasi pumirma agad eh. Nakalagay dyan, Sir. The undersigned recognizes that this adventure involves... Anong basa dyan, Sir?
Prevents
Dati pakibasa mo nga.
strenuous physical activity.
Strenuous physical activity. Ano ibig sabihin nun, te?
Ewan ko.
Sige,
Ano kasi siya,
GMG natin. So yun, hazard physical activity. I hereby affirm that I am in good physical condition. Makikita nyo naman.
And did not suffer from any element which could prevent or limit me to join this activity.
Oh, anong sabi, Sir? Pakiulit nga to.
Ano, activity talaga siya. Tapos yung kailangan doon is, malakas yung tubig.
And if you have,
ito.
I hereby affirm that I am in a good physical condition and did not suffer from any ailment which could
Paano yun?
prevent.
Paano kung may sakit ka sa puso? Nag-break kayo.
Iba yun.
Ay, iba yun?
Which could prevent or limit me to join this
paano
activity.
yun? Di siya makatalon kasi...
At least, mas maganda yung tumalon kasi parang yung practice mo na kasi iniwang ka niya, so mawawala yung sakit sa puso mo. Stress
sige,
reliever.
continue.
I acknowledge that my participation is purely voluntary and not mandated by anybody.
Ma'am maliwanag yan. Basahin mo muna bago ka pumirma.
Huwag na, binasa niyo na.
Tara, pasok naman tayo sa loob ng villa namin. So, upon entering, yan, meron siyang dalawang bed, no? So, ng room. May dalawang bed, then may mga kortina, and then may ilaw din naman, syempre, no? So, gusto ko yung ilaw niya, no? Yung color temperature is warm white. Then, may side table made of wood ba to? Log. Yan. And then, may isang room dito. Meron siyang bed din. It's a queen size bed. And then, may aircon. Meron siyang outlet. Lang. And then, pagpasok mo rito, meron dyan toilet and bath. So, meron din naman siyang laboratory, towel bar, water closet, tissue holder, and then sa likod naman yung exhaust, and then of course yung ating water heater. So yan, meron din yung shower. So ngayon maliligo na ako kasi doon nakaligo kagabi. Sasama ka? Tara!